Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix create group chat on TikTok not showing, right? So if you go to the TikTok mobile application here, make sure that you are using the updated version. In the friend section, you can just add your friends and here you can make a group. But if you are not able to make a group, the first solution that I'm going to provide you, just go to the Play Store, and if you are using an app store, make sure to update the app. For example, let me show you this app. If you see an option, update, then make sure that update your TikTok app, and this will fix a problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to click and hold and go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, and here you have to click on storage usage, and here you have to clear all the cache, and after that just reopen the app and just check that feature you got or not. And if it doesn't fix it, you have to clear all the data. So clearing all the data doesn't mean you have to make a new ID. No guys, you will get automatically log out from the app, and you have to relog in it, because it delete all the unused or data, or that unusual or unused data which is making your TikTok slow. So it will delete it and it will make completely new. So you have to just relog in into the TikTok, and this will fix a problem, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if it is, then make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and please leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.